welcome back to Fun with Aubrey and Brianna. Today, I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. And I love slime. So, let's get started. The first one I'm going to be showing you is one of two of my floams. I only have two floams. So this is one of two of my floams. This one's called Blue Raspberry Crunch. And it's really crunchy and it has all these foam beads in it. I love this one. It's blue raspberry smoothie. Not just blue raspberry, it's blue raspberry smoothie. Just put it back in there. And a hack is if you make it like long, it will help you put it in the container better. So you just sort of like make it longer and then just add it in. Okay, so the next slime I'm going to be showing you is my clear slime, which I'm going to be showing you how clear it is. You can sort of see my finger, but when I take it out, it's really clear. So, and I have some words right here. If I spread it out, you can totally see the words. Just making little rips. So, see the words. This one's super cool. So, just doing that hack again. That was a slime, I swear. Next slime is my rose gold slime. A lot of people use luster dust to make their slime metallic and silver and gold, which they use luster dust, which all you have to do is crush up some silver eyeshadow. Same exact thing. I have more of this in my slime room. I have a slime room, so I do. So, just doing my hack again, just putting the slime in. So, let's get on to the bigger slimes. So, this slime is turquoise jiggly slime. It has actual turquoise rock beads. Like, there's a kind of rock. It's called turquoise. And I had little crushed up ones in a little bottle, and I put them in my slime and made my slime like a sort of a turquoise color. I couldn't get a perfectly good turquoise color, but I got like sort of a turquoise color. So this is a jiggly slime. See how it like jiggles? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let's go ahead and have a look at it in the container instead of out. It's got a nice, like, crunch. Nice little crunch. Let's get on to the next slime. The next slime I have is my other foam. This one is called Gummy Bear Foam. I had gummy bears and I was based on their color. So I made the colors, mixed them all together, which made this purple color, then added some foam beads to make Gummy Bear Foam. Oh, by the way, guys, I will be linking all these awesome slime recipes in the description box below. So this one has a nice crunch. And then you can blow bubbles with this, and then you can make a nice little swirl with it. Like you can do a fluffy slime like this. So I'm going to make another. These are my favorite ones. And then the other thing about it is you can blow bubbles with it. So I can pull it this way. Then, see, it sort of makes a bubble, but doesn't completely make a bubble. So it doesn't completely make a bubble, but it does still do good things. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Now we have a pastel pink slime. There's Brianna in the back. So this is a pretty pastel pink slime. It's a fluffy slime that I made. You can also make the swirl with this one. I don't know how Instagram people make the swirl so cool. And if you keep doing this to it, like stretching it out, then putting it in, it collects these things called air bubbles. And then you can squish it like this. Did you see that, guys? Y'all just technically saw slime. Y'all saw what slime sees all the time. My cat is under the table. Trying to get into my lap. Ready to see slime again? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! It's magic. Technically magic. So next we have my rainbow loom slime. This slime, I just put some rainbow looms in it. Ooh, just it looks metallic a little bit. Look at this. Ready? It sort of looks metallic to me. Right here. So this one is just supposed to be the crunchiest slime in the world. Sort of like Bloom, but not exactly like Bloom. Just sort of like Bloom. My headband is coming off. Technical difficulties. Headband is coming off. Stay. Okay. More? Oh my gosh. Next we have my marshmallow fluff slime. This is my marshmallow puff fluffy slime. No, fluff, it's puff. Make the swirl again. It's like more liquidy, so it sort of doesn't make the swirl, but I can make it do a swirl. Another one? This one was my first fluffy slime I made ever, and this one is called Custom. Why it's called Custom? Because I want you guys to name it. So just leave down below in the comments what we should name this yellow slime. I will be choosing one lucky winner for the name. Hopefully you'll agree on something. If y'all agree on something, that's the thing I'll pick. But if one of them I really like, I'll pick that one. So yeah, that's what I will be doing. So yeah. Oh my gosh! We have another slime, which this is our last slime. This one's blueberry cupcake. Brianna named it when she was sick. So of course it's a blueberry cupcake because I feel bad for my sister when she's sick. So when she names a blueberry cupcake, she names a blueberry cupcake. Is that a cat? So this one is called blueberry cupcake. It does look like if you ever seen pop frostings. This is what this looks like for the cupcakes. So, this is our last slime. Swirly, swirly, swirly. Done. That was the last one, remember? So, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you click that like button and click that big red subscribe button. It's really hard to miss. And make sure, if you want to make any of the slimes you saw in this video, there in the description box below. And in parentheses will be if you want to make like the rainbow loom slime, which is fluffy slime with rainbow looms in it. It will say in parentheses if you want to add the rainbow looms, if you want to add like the flow balls. Yeah, it was in that in parentheses. So, remember, click that like button, click that big, ginormous subscribe button. Have a good day, and bye, YouTube! Heart, peace, love.